So now we will see about what is the advantage and drawback of being an entrepreneur. So being an entrepreneur is not a smooth sailing job. The advantage is you are your own boss. You own your company, right? And you decide what you have to do next. You need not wait for instruction from anybody else outside your company. So you are your own boss. You are free to make decisions. You are free to do anything you want, and you decide what is the next step you are going to take. You decide what is the profit. You decide what is the loss. Everything is decided by you. So being entrepreneur, the main advantage is you are your own boss. Second point, enjoy the profit from your efforts. So you are the only person in your company. So the entire profit will come to you. The maximum profit, the proportion of maximum profit will reach you if there are more employees in your company. I mean, you are deducting all the salary and other thing, the remaining profit will reach you entirely. So sense of pride in your business. Yes, an entrepreneur is a pride. So you should be pride to say that I am the boss in my business because it's a sense of pride. The way the society gives you respect, the way you grow, those things give a huge amount of pride and satisfaction for you. Flexibility in your work schedule. Since you are deciding what work you are going to do, you can be flexible in your work schedule. It's not a 9 to 5 job. You can start your work even early and go off, take a vacation and go off. The time is not a constraint for you. So you can be flexible in your work schedule. Last and main important thing, good status in society. People will start recognizing you based on the work you do. We are good at marketing. Slowly, the marketing phase of you will start to emerge, and you will be a prominent figure in the society. So, what you do, you have to do it sincerely. So, the advantage of being entrepreneur is very good. You are your own boss. You're going to enjoy the entire profits from your effort. A sense of pride will always be seen in your business, and you will be eager to do something new, which is going to give you a huge amount of profit and flexibility in your work schedule. So since you are your own boss, you can decide the time of your work. And finally, the status what you receive from society is that gives you good sleep every day. So that gives you a complete satisfaction every day. So these are the advantages of being